Most of us breathe only into the chest or just the belly, but your breath was designed to expand in all directions. The front of your body, the sides of the ribs, and even the back. This is called 360-degree breathing. And it's how the body naturally breathes when we are relaxed and fully present. It activates your full breathing capacity, calming your mind, releasing stress from your body, and bringing you into the present moment. Let's try it together. Sit or stand tall. Place one hand on your belly and the other on the side of your ribs. Inhale gently through your nose. Feel your belly expand. Your ribs widen and your back softly press into the chair or the wall behind you. Exhale slowly through your mouth and let everything soften. Again, inhale. Imagine your torso expanding like a circle from center, reach outward in all directions. Exhale and come home to stillness. Continue. This is your natural breath, full, centered, awake. A few minutes a day can shift your state, restore your energy, and reconnect you with your body.